Hello everyone, myself Saketh Reddy. I have completed my B.tech in CMR Technical Campus 2023 and I am from Hyderabad. I joined Jspiders in May 2024 and for Java full stack development course, and my trainer is Kaushik sir, who is an excellent trainer. He helped me a lot with so many doubts. I used to have so many doubts, but he used to clarify with patience, with lots of patience. And in December, and I'm really grateful for Jspiders that the education quality and the training quality here is really great. So I suggest Jspiders Punjagutta especially for the Kaushik sir, who teaches a lot. He's a pro in Java. Yeah, I suggest everyone to join Jspiders Punjagutta. Thank you. Thank you everyone.